Hi guys, I thought we'd do an activity for kids, and I thought we'd do a summer scrapbook for kids today. Now obviously I didn't create the idea of a scrapbook, but I thought I'd remind everybody about the idea and give some suggestions on how to make this. And this is going to be designed for younger kids. Obviously older kids could do this too in their own version. And to start off, I got two different types of books here that you could make it in. I have a composition book from the Dollar Tree with lined paper in it, and then we have a spiral notepad. And I went ahead and I wrote Summer Scrapbook 2025. The kids could write that on there if they know how to write. And they could decorate it with some stickers if they wanted to. I just left mine that way. I also thought it'd be fun for them to do a themed scrapbook. So say that they could do animals, and all the animals that they see throughout the summer they could add to their scrapbook, or they could do bugs, or a combination of both, or even places they've been, or flowers. And I was trying to keep it simple for them. So in other words, say this one is designed for bugs and animals. So throughout the summer they have this activity. Whenever they come across something, they can add to it. And they could cut it out from magazines, or they could do a drawing, which I just tried to do a little kid's drawing of a duck. And also they could do a picture. Now this is a little tiny Polaroid picture of my wild Bonnie, Rottweiler animal, and I put that in there. And they could just do this throughout summer. Or like I said, they could do butterflies, or maybe just make it animals, and they could write down next to the picture what it is that they've seen. Sorry, I didn't mean to butt my camera. What it is they've seen. If they can't write, then you could write it for them, or they could just do the picture. Or if they're a little bit older and they are into writing, they could do maybe write a little bit about what they've seen. Not only the name of it, but maybe something about the animal or the bug. And again, you'll probably need some safety scissors for them if they're old enough to use those, and some glue stick works really good. I put a couple of the pictures in. I have a ladybug and a grasshopper and a butterfly. Glue stick, or even tape would work. And whether this is for your kids or your grandkids, you could help out with them if they needed help. And I just thought it'd be an idea for them to do during the summer. And I hope you guys like this idea, and please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.